Let's take a closer look at this serious incident to determine exactly what happened. The associate is a second shift relief operator who was assisting the extruder operator during a changeover. Prior to the relief operator purging feed from extruder number 1, he locked out the equipment according to site extruder lockout-tagout procedures and then began hosing down the inside of the bypass. The associate thought it was safe to put his hand inside the bypass throat to clear meal buildup because he had locked the machine out according to the site lockout-tagout procedures. He was unaware that residual energy continues to propel the auger for approximately 2 to 3 minutes after the equipment has been shut down. The amount of time the auger spins depends on bearing condition, the amount of feed in the barrel, and other factors. Upon reaching inside to clear some buildup of meal, the associate's left finger became caught between the rotating auger and the extruder wall. This resulted in a deep 4-centimeter laceration between the first knuckle and the fingernail, which required 9 sutures to close at a local hospital. Additionally, the associate suffered a fracture to his left index finger. Let's quickly review the types of serious incidents. Any serious health, safety, or environmental incident's occurrence or potential occurrence. Any incident which causes serious injury to an associate. Any incident which causes serious injury to a third party on a MARS site. Any incident which causes serious injury to a third party or property damage, etc., and may be due in whole or in part to the actions of MARS or a MARS associate on company business. Any incident within our facilities which causes a shutdown of that facility for a period of time greater than 1 shift. Any threats to our associates, our products, or our business. Serious near miss, SNM. Any incident which does not result but could have resulted in LTI, MWA, MT, fire, or property damage. Now let's review the who, what, when, how, and where of serious incident reporting. Who to notify. The Unit Segment Director, Regional Supply VP, and Global Supply VP. The Regional SES Manager. External Relations regarding media exposure, and Risk Management regarding contractor injuries and property damage. What to investigate? Just gather the facts. Make no judgment or guess, assume, or suppose. Gather all photos, drawings, interview material, and other information collected at the scene. Interview witnesses. Determine a clear picture of what happened. Formally document the sequence of events. It could become an exhibit in legal proceedings, so be careful about gas. Determine if any associate discipline is warranted. When to communicate? Submit initial report as soon as possible. Talk to people. Do not leave messages. Once the initial communication has been accomplished, a serious incident report must be prepared as soon as possible within 72 hours. If the investigation is not complete because of missing facts, ask for an extension. Remember, no gas. Following the incident, an immediate and thorough investigation should be conducted in accordance with the MARS standard for investigation of incidents. How to communicate. Initial communication should be by phone. Do not leave voicemails. Leaving a voice message is not sufficient. If it's impossible to reach any individual by telephone and you must leave a voicemail, you should follow up to confirm that the communication was successful. Do not use email for this initial communication. Where to report? Report to Global Supply the following: all facts, applicable policies and procedures, actions to date, recommendations for immediate next steps, and immediate learnings. Work with regional SES to review incident report and determine if report should be distributed globally to share learnings. The preferred Global Serious Incident Report format is the A3 as shown here. Please see the Investigation Standard for more information.